Hi, you're watching a demonstration video on CPA Clicks, world's leading geo-redirection and traffic optimization service. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a campaign and set up geo-redirection rules and start your geo-redirection campaign right away. When you have logged into CPA Clicks, you will see my account on the top. In there, you can click on campaigns. On this page, the system will list a list of campaigns that you have already added in the system under campaigns. To create a new campaign, simply type in a campaign name in the field required and click on create new campaign. For this demonstration, we will create a geo-redirection campaign for C2P.co. C2P.co is a website that we set up temporarily, and this page simply displays variables passed in the URL string. For example, if I'm to pass source equals test, the page will show me the variables passed, source, test. When you click on create new campaign, a campaign will be created and the campaign URL will be provided right here. Now this URL is the entry point for your visitors. This is where you will send your visitors to, and then based on their geo redirections and the redirection rules you have set up for the campaign, they will be redirected accordingly. To manage your campaign and set up geo redirection rules, simply find the campaign that you are looking for and click on manage. For this campaign, we do not have any geo-redirection rules set up yet, otherwise they will be listed here under campaign geo-redirects. To add a new geo-redirection, we use the section on the top. You will start by specifying the country to target. Since I'm from Ontario, Canada, and the city of Scarborough, I'm going to select the country Canada and the region Ontario and the city Scarborough. That's where I'm from. Confirm city targeting. Okay, when you have specified your country, region, which is the state or province, and the city, you will need to confirm the destination URL and redirection weight. So for this demo, I'm going to input C2P.co, and then I'm going to pass a variable called source equals S1. This is a tracking variable that will be automatically appended to the destination URL if you have passed it from the campaign entry point URL. We will show you how this works. Redirection weight, we're going to enter in 100 for now. Now this is a numeric value. If you have multiple redirections for the same geolocation, for example, if you have multiple geo redirects targeting Canada, Ontario, and Scarborough, the proportion of the visitors that will go to this destination URL depends on this redirection weight. The total weight will be added together, so if you have another one with the same redirection weight of 100, this redirection will receive 50% of the visitors, which is 100 divided over 200 redirects. I'm going to click on confirm and add geo redirect. System says new geo redirect has been added successfully, targeting Canada, Ontario, and Scarborough. Now let's test it. I go back to campaigns and grab this test URL. I'm just going to pass the S1 variable indicated in the campaign URL as CPA clicks. Okay, so now I have been redirected to C2P.co source equals CPA clicks. Now notice this is the exact variable that I have passed in the CPA clicks. Now if you have sent a campaign from Google AdWords, you can input something here, for example AdWords. Now when your visitors are redirected accordingly based on their geo redirection, whatever you have passed in the campaign URL will be transferred to your destination URL wherever you specified as 1. Okay, now let's go back to the campaign. Now let's complicate things a little bit. I'm going to edit the campaign URL, I mean the redirection URL, and I'm going to add a couple more things, and campaign equals S2 and add copy add equals S3, and I'm also going to pass a couple more variables. Country, I'm going to pass the system generated country variable, country equals country, and region equals region, and city equals city. Alright, and then I'm going to add another geo redirection for Canada, Ontario, and Scarborough, and this time I'm going to simply redirect to usgrants.org. I'm going to replace it with this, usgrants.org. The weight 50. Now if you remember, the weight for the first redirect was 100. The weight for the second redirect that we have added for usgrants.org was 50. So therefore, the second redirect will receive 50 redirects out of every 150 redirects, which is 33.33%. The other one, the first original redirect, will receive 66.67% of the redirects. Okay, now let's test it. So if I go back to campaigns, and let me pass a couple more variables here. So I'm going to pass S1 is AdWords, and let's say I have a campaign for C2P. I have an add copy 1, and what else was required? S1, S2, and S3 only. The other ones are system generated, so I don't need to pass them, they're automatic. So let me just go to this link. Now at first I'm redirected to c2p.co, and you can see the following variables passed in the URL. The system also passed the country code, the region code, and the city name of where I'm from to the destination URL. Now let's go to it again. I'm redirected to c2p.co again. Now notice that I will be redirected 66.67% of the time to c2p.co. Alright, the third time I've tried, I'm redirected to usgrants.org with the variables passed in the URL string. Alright, so that's how you create a geo redirection campaign and set up the redirection rules. Go ahead and create a free account. It's free. The first 100 redirects is free on us as soon as you create an account. There's no deposit required. It is completely 100% free, risk-free trial. Go ahead and participate. Thanks for watching. See you next time.